In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a table header in Confluence. If you've ever struggled with creating and formatting tables in Confluence, you're in the right place. We'll take a look at how to create a table, set your headers, and then publish it to make sure your information is neatly organized and clearly presented. So let's jump right into it. First, you need to navigate to the page where you want to add your table. This is crucial, as the table will be directly integrated into the content of this specific page. Once you're on the correct page, locate the editing tools and let's get started on building your table. Up next, in the editing toolbar, type Table. This is a simple shortcut and a handy tool within Confluence to help you quickly introduce a table into your document without having to dig through menus looking for the table option. The moment you complete this step, you'll notice a list of options popping up. From the list that appears once you type our table, go ahead and click on the Table option. This will insert a default table into your page immediately, providing you a structure to work with. Now you need to choose the size of your table. Confluence gives you the flexibility to customize the number of rows and columns to fit your specific needs. Consider what information you plan to present in the table. Whether it's a simple 2-column chart or a more complex grid, ensure the size is appropriate for your content to maintain clarity and readability. After deciding the size, you'll notice a blank table on your page. Click on the top cell of your table, which is the designated header space. The header is an essential part of any table. It categorizes the data and helps your audience understand the nature of the information beneath. Next, type in the title of your header. This title should be descriptive and concise. It should clearly indicate what kind of data that column is going to contain. Repeat this step for every header cell across your table to ensure that each column has a title. This helps in making your table user-friendly and informative. Finally, after setting your headers, it's time to publish your page. Locate and click on the Publish button. This will save all your changes and make your table available for others to see. By publishing, you ensure that your newly formatted table with its clear headers is part of your Confluence page and ready to be accessed by your team. That's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully inserted and set up a table in Confluence with fully functional headers. This approach not only enhances the visual appeal of your content, but also improves the organization and structure, making it easier for everyone to understand and utilize the information. Thank you for watching and have a great time organizing your content on Confluence.